Welcome to K2 Futures Analysis and Trading. Okay, we're just taking a long position in the market. At 31 even. Had a bit of stopping volume here. Today is Friday the 28th of September 2012. We've just taken a long position at 31 even. Had a gap down this morning and run down about the same amount as the gap. Reasonable support around here, the 30 area. We also came down and retested the first 30-minute lows. At 35 and a quarter. But we can pick up a little bit on the first half. The market looks as though it's struggling quite a bit this morning, so what we're going to do I'm going to put the first profit target down to 32.50. See if we get any movement. Okay, we're going to lighten the load on this position. We're going to try and get out of one at entry, which is 31 even. We'll just put our target there, see if we can get out of one. And we could remain down here all day. Okay, so we're out of one. We've just halved our risk. What we're hoping for today is a move back up to fill the gap up here at around the 41, which would be a 10-point move from here. Let's roll over and take a quick look at the bond market. Here's a bond chart here. As you can see, we're exactly at the 786 retracement. We've actually taken a short here at 49.31. Assuming there'll be some sort of resistance coming in here. And our stop is just above this high over here at 51. Stress test results coming out any moment now. We're going to move our stop up to 28.50. We're going to put our stop at entry just in case it's bad. So I'll put it just a tick above entry, 31.25. In fact, we'll just move the stop up a tick there to 32.50, 31.50 I should say. So stop is at 31.50, and we're now at 12.10, pushing up towards the opening price here around the 35 to 36. So we'll have to see if we stall out and drift lower again. I'm just going to leave the stop where it is, and because I've only got one contract on, we'll see how we go around this 36 area if it gets there. And we'll move our stop up to 32, so it gives us a point at least. And we'll wait and see. Now obviously, if someone was in this position with more than one contract, be fairly wise to take one off at this point at around the 35.5 for 4.5 points. And then with a stop just above entry, you've locked in a guaranteed 4.5 points. So above the morning highs, so I'm going to move the stop up to 33 on this one contract position and just see if that holds at all. See whether we can get a rally back up to close this gap from today up around the 41. Now with regard to the bonds, the bond trade, coming down to a little bit of support here between 04 and 10. So again, if someone had a multi-contract position on, you'd be pretty wise to take some profits at this point on some. It's going to take a little bit to get up to 40, 41, I think. Probably have to settle a bit for a while if it's going to do it at all. We really have to get above this 36 and stay there to be any good on the long side today, I think, in the back half. I'm going to move our stop up to 34 even, and we'll leave it at that for now. So we got stopped there, can't seem to hold ground at the moment. I'd really have to get above 36 before I was interested in a long. In fact, what we're going to do is just look at the totals for today. Only had the one trade where we went long at 31. We got out because the news, the Spanish bank news, was coming out. So we're up a few points today just on one contract, nothing to write home about. The bond position I mentioned is doing quite nicely. We took 400 out of the first half and up about 7 on the second so far, coming into a support area around this 149. So this is the last video for a while, and obviously the last one for September. So we've had 13 videos, and over those 13 days we've had a total of 103.75 points in the positive side. So if we multiply that by $50 a contract, that's about $51.80. What we're going to do now is we're going to put a buy stop at 36.25 in case we get back over 36, hoping for a move back up to the 40.41. Okay, so we got filled on the first one there for a point, back up near the highs. There is a chance we get an A, B, C move, which would take us to our projected high of about 41 or so. So we just had a little jump there up to 38. Now what we're going to do here too is we're going to move our stop to the entry point 36 1/4. Just going to move my stop up just a little bit to 36.75. Alright, so we got stopped out at 36.25 and we're calling it a day.